The Ultra Containment Berm Rapid Rise model provides the security of an effective spill containment berm and the convenience of an almost completely flat sidewall. Use this model for quick and easy spill containment for drums, IBCs, pump trucks and other vehicles, frac tanks, and other large containers. Once you've rolled out your Rapid Rise model containment berm, it is ready to go. During day-to-day operations, the sidewalls stay lowered and out of the way, allowing vehicles to easily drive in and out without any setup or takedown. In the event of a spill, the foam in the top, outer perimeter of the berm sidewalls raise the walls with the level of the liquid. No need to waste valuable response time assembling support structures or setting up sidewalls to capture leaks or spills. Ultra Containment berms help comply with EPA Container Storage Regulation 40 CFR 264.175 and SPCC requirements. They are available in many standard sizes. Custom sizes are also available. For more information on this,